So, Hare Krishna students, how are you all? Let's start. We are going to start the uh, solution of this paper today, paper 2. Um, am I audible to all? Right, so let's get started. So, first question is temperature at 4 a.m. is -12 and temperature at 4 p.m. is 21. Find the increase in temperature from 4 a.m. to 4 p.m. So final temperature at 4 p.m. is 21. Final temperature minus initial temperature we will do, right? So minus minus becomes positive. So then we will add. So answer will be 33 degrees Celsius for this. Next is find all common factors of 8 and 12. So we see 1 is obviously common for all. 2 is also a common factor for 8 and 12. 3 is a factor for 12 but not for 8. 4 is a factor which is common for both of them. Okay. After that, 8 is not, 8 is factor of 8 but not for 12. So that's it. So 1, 2 and 4 is the answer for this. Next question is a cuboid has length 6 centimeter, width 5 centimeter and height 2.5 centimeter. Work out the volume of the cuboid. So for that, volume of the cuboid, simple formula, length times breadth times height. See, remember that's a non-calculator paper, so we have to do all the calculation by ourselves. So 6 5s are 30 and 2.5. Now 25 3s are 75 and it will be 750 and decimal, and 0 will get cancelled, so answer will be 75 centimeter cube, right? Next question, a computer cost $560 dollars. In sale this cost is reduced by 20%. Find the cost of the computer in the sale. So cost of the computer got reduced by 20%, so new cost would be 80% of the original cost. Again, make sure not to use calculator. Simple calculation, zeros cancel. Now you simply have to multiply 8 with 56. 8 6 are 48, carry goes over 4, and 8 5s are 40. So $448 will be the price after the reduction. Now in the fifth question, work out the number of students that walk to school, which is 90 degrees, and there are questions. So the pie chart shows some information about the way 600 students travel to school. So total students are 600, and we have to work out the number of students that walk to school. So that represent 90 degree out of 360 degree of total students, which is 600. So we cancel this 0 with 0. In the table of 6 we cancel 6 1s are 6, 6 6 are 36. And then on the table of 3 6 3 30, So 30 divided by 2 will be 15 and times 10 will be 150. So 150 students will be there who walk to school. Next is 120 of the students travel to school by car, the remaining students travel by bus. You have to complete the pie chart. So bicycle walk is there. 120 student travel school by car. So 120 out of 600 times 360 degrees gives us the angle for that. So I can cancel 12 5s are 60. So it's always good to cancel the numbers with the big tables, right? Then 5 in the 360 divided by 5 you're left with. That'll give us the angle for travel the students who travel by car. So 5 sevens are 35 and 1052, so 72 degrees. Now look at the pie chart. 90, 60 and 72 is already there. One angle is only left. So you have to do for the bus. If you calculate the angle, 360 minus 72 plus 90 plus 60. It was 60, right? 360 minus 2, 9 and 6 is 15. 15 plus 7 is 22, right? So when you subtract 222 from 360, you get 10 minus 2, 8, 5, it'll become 5, 5 minus 2, 3, and 3 minus 2, basically 138. 138 degrees is the angle for this. Now you can simply use protector and draw the particular angles in this. Coming to the next question, sixth one. It says ABCD is a quadrilateral. Okay. E lies on CD. Okay. And AE is parallel to BC. Correct. We have, and EA is equal to 80. So that's a isosceles triangle. You have to find the angle ABC from that. For angle ABC, this one you need to find. If we are able to say find this angle, so that will be 75. No, wait, these two are parallel, no? AE and BC are parallel, so we'll use the parallel lines. So this and this angle makes the co-interior angle, so this will be 100 degrees, right? Co-interior angles sum up to 180. That's the rule. You can mention it. And then ABCE in itself is a quadrilateral. So for angle ABC, you can and quadrilateral angle sum is 360. So we can subtract rest of the three angles from it, which will be 360 minus 5 and 8 is 15, 5, 1 carry, 1 plus 1, 2, 255. Now subtracting this, 10 minus 5, 5, and this will be 5 minus 5, 0, This is 105 degrees for the triangle, angle ABC. Then you have to find angle AED. So obviously this and this angle makes R again supplementary. So this angle will be 80 degree. Simple. You can directly write. And then DAB. DAB. For that we can first calculate DAE. For that we can use isosceles triangular property because AE and DE are here equal, so the ADE becomes the isosceles triangle. So for calculating DAE, angle DAE will be equal to 180 minus 80 divided by 2, because of course you can see this is these and these two angles are equal because these are opposite to the equal sides. So 2 times this plus 80 gives you 180. So 180 minus 80 upon 2, minus 80 is 100 by 250 degrees. So DAE is 50 degrees and DAB would be 50 plus 75 as per the diagram, right? So DA for DAB we will add 50 and 75, which is 125 degrees, right? Okay. Now, coming to the next question, it says represent the inequality on the number lines. Easy. On above the -4, we draw an empty circle, and above the 3, we draw a filled circle because for this strict inequality, for this we have normal inequality with the equal to sign, and then simply join these two dots because the values of x is between these two values. Next question is 8th. Okay, so I will be explaining this 8th onwards to you in the next live session. Right, if you have any doubt in any of the question, you can let me know in the comment section. Thank you.